Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. Right now we can enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to log in if you do not have your Google account added, and then tap on the circle which is your account. Tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. Okay, let's try again. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device. And in order to check the updates, we have to simply tap on Updates Available. And again, we've got the list of the updates which are ready to download. So simply find the apps you'd like to update. I will pick maybe Google Chrome and the Google Drive. And then simply tap on this update icon. Of course, if you want, you can mark all of them. And as you can see, right now your device will simply download the update, and after that it will automatically install it and obviously update the app. So from now on you don't really have to do anything, just wait patiently. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.